So if you look on the car right here, there's little tabs. Every car that's has lower anchors will have some kind of an indicator to show you where they're at. If you follow these tabs up and you come in the seat, you can see right here, there's a little hook. And so we're going to hook the lower anchors right on that, on each side of the car seat. So these are the lower anchor connectors, and we want them to go onto the hooks like this, with this strong part of the anchor on the top, not like this, because this could possibly peel open. So we're going to do it like this, and we just click it on there. Now we want our seat at a 35 to 40 degree angle when we click the car seat in here. And right now with the way the seat is sitting, I think it's going to be too inclined. To put this foot down right here, which goes into the seat bite. By raising that foot up, it makes the car seat taller right there in the front. So now that we have it connected, and I'm going to pull this strap right here tight so we can get the car seat in tight. Now there's three parts of a crash. The first part of a crash is the car hitting what it hits. The second part of a crash is the person hitting whatever they're going to hit in the car. For adults, we hope that's a seat belt. If not, then an airbag or a windshield or the person next to them, unfortunately. And that's why we really encourage adults to wear seat belts and kids to be in car seats. The third part of a crash is your internal organs moving inside your body. Now as adults, we have very strong muscles and ligaments to hold those organs in place. Our little babies don't. So we want to reduce the amount of crash forces on our babies as much as possible. Now how that works is seat belt straps and the straps on car seats are all made to stretch 45 to 60% in a car accident. So as the car accident happens and the forces are applied, this will actually stretch to slow your body down or slow the car seat down as it goes. We want to get that stretch. We want this car seat to not move more than 1 inch front to back or side to side. Okay? So I'm going to tell you that I don't have it in here tight enough right now because I want you to see. So if I go side to side, I have more than 1 inch of movement. And if I go front to back, I have more than 1 inch of movement. And we always want to grab it right here where the seatbelt goes through the seatbelt path. You don't want to check it up here. Okay? So I'm going to get this up here. And the way that you tighten it down to get it tight enough is you push down and back into the seatbelt and you pull. You release, push down and back, pull 3 times. Down and back, pull. Okay? And then we check it again. And as you can see, that is in there nice and tight. It has an angle indicator right here, and it says that for 0 to 3 months, it has to be an all light blue. See, it just clicks in. We're going to push, pull to make sure it's in.